This is a 10-minute workout you and I are going to do at home. It is low impact cardio. It's going to get amazing results. It is all standing, no jumping, no equipment, and knee friendly. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to just do a very quick warm up, just simply follow along. We're just doing this for about 45 seconds. So we're just going to start with just do these gentle little knee lifts, just swing the arms from side to side, just so we're really starting to warm up through your body and just mobilize through your joints. Now this time, just give me this little hamstring curl. Pull both your arms in. We're just bending through the knee. That's good. Just here to loosen up through the joints, and now just give me that little tap across and just swing those arms over, and it just means we're a lot more flexible for the workout ahead. And well done. Just give me a few shoulder circles. So now that is our warm-up complete. We're now going to have a look at your first move. So this one, imagine you're slamming a door shut, and then we're going to go for 4 kicks. So we're going to slam that door shut for 4 and then 4 power kicks. So really lovely low impact cardio move, and we're going to get ready and let's get started. So give me that, push that door shut, 4, take it 3, 2 and 1. Now give me that power kick, 4, take that 3, 2 and 1. Keep repeating that sequence. So you can see on the left, you've got your timer clock, approximately 50 seconds. We're doing on each exercise, and reach that across. And I'm going to always highlight to you the posterior and anterior, all the different muscles that you're working in each of these moves. And just have fun with these exercises. These are really dynamic. We're working lots of different muscle groups. And again, these are all knee friendly. And in fact, we're strengthening all those muscles that are important to look after your knee health. All right, well done. So we're now going to have a look at the next move. So for this one, we're just doing a little side tap from side to side with a single arm push up. So let's get ready, step the legs and just go side to side and just put power between each of those punches. You just punch directly up. So on here, you can see where we're working through the abductors, so those outer thigh muscles. We're obviously working through your shoulders, we're working through the arms, and even just by keeping those tummy muscles pulled in, we're activating through the core. So it's just side step. And because we're taking the arm above heart level, we're working cardiovascularly, we're working a little bit harder on that move as well. So again, it's low impact, but it still means it's high intensity. We're still going to get all those results. Okay, so well done. Let's have a look at move 3. So for this one, we're doing half stars and then we're doing power punches. So we'll go for a set of taking the arm up to, let's go 3 and 4, and now 4 power punches, and just keep repeating that sequence. So really lovely multi-compound move here, multi-directional. Again, you can just see, I mean, basically we're working near enough every single muscle through your body. And just really emphasize on taking your arms up, make them as wide as you can, up and over. And again, when you're doing that foot, when you're taking your foot out to the side now, step out as far as you can go that feels comfortable. It's always important to work through your fullest range of motion. Well done. All right, let's have a look at move 4 coming up. So this one, we're going to work your coordination. So heel taps in front, then heel taps behind. So really big move here. So we're going to start and take that heel tap in front. Now take that behind and behind. Then we come in front, then behind. That's good. So it's really going to get your brain thinking here, but this is where it's good. We're also really working a little bit more through your obliques, through those waist muscles, as well as through your abs and your core. And this is really good for those coordination. Also, we refer to this as your motor skills, agility. So it's really good for your brain health. Well done, and nearly finished on move 4. All right, well done. So let's have a look at move 5. Now, move 5 is going to be all about your upper body and your core. So we're going to do running arms for 10 and then power punches for 10. So just give me 10 fast power punches. Keep the legs still, and now give me 10 sprinters arms. So you really need to keep those abs in tight to keep that upper body nice and tall whilst you're doing these exercises. So this one really is now I'm working through your triceps, your shoulders, your chest. Even we're really working those abs, because your abs are your stabilizers now. All right, that's good. So just keeping that going. So alternating from taking those power punches, keep the hips still, knees are bent, back to those really fast running arms. And I bet you'll be surprised how out of breath you feel. Even though we haven't moved and we haven't used the lower body, we've really worked that upper body and worked your cardiovascular health. All right, well done. So let's have a look at the next move. So this one is a fun one. We're going to pretend we're climbing up something, then we've got to step over something for 3, then we climb back up. So take that to, I think we're doing approximately about 10 climbs. And now step it 1, go 2 and 3. Take those arms up. Imagine you're climbing up a rope, taking those arms up high, and then step it across once more and hold, and then take that back. So as your qualified trainer, I love to come up with new moves just to make it interesting and fun for you, because exercise is simply all about moving your body. And travel that 1, go 2 and 3. Take those arms up. Imagine we're really racing up some rope here. We're climbing up a rope, then we're going to travel that over 2 and 3, and well done. All right, just march out. Let's have a look at move 7. So for this one, we kick the leg in front, tap back, and we'll alternate the legs halfway through. So let's get ready and give me that little kick in front, step the foot back, kick in front and back. So this one here, really lovely to work through the legs, to really strengthen through your core and through the glutes as well. And you'll find you'll have one leg you're a lot more flexible on than the other. I'm really tight on that leg now. Let's just kick that opposite leg so you can see the difference there. But this is where it's really good to do these exercises, because then we're really keeping that balance and helping to build where we're perhaps a little bit weaker. So I said to you this workout would fly by. We've nearly now done move 7. All right, you just march out. Let's have a look at the next move. So we're really going to work those inner and outer thighs. Really lovely lateral move here. Fast pace this one, and just go from side to side. So imagine we're pushing something down with the hands, but you're kind of doing that scissor, just switch one foot from side to side, and again step that out wide. So this is really good for those inner and outer thigh muscles. And if you want more daily motivation, come and find me on my Facebook page. We've got a private group which is free, but we've also got just a really lovely page. And I post up lots of blogs, motivation, do lives. So do come and find me on there. All right, that's good. So just keep tapping that foot from side to side. And well done. All right, let's have a look at your next move. So this one, we're going to do a traveling side step to then go 3 power kicks. So we're just going to travel. So we'll get ready. Travel it 1 and 2. Now kick 1, take it 2, and then travel. So it's only 2 kicks, sorry. And take it 1, 2, and kick 1, 2, then travel that back. That's good. So all these exercises, they've been knee friendly, but they're also really going to help with your knee health, because we've been building strength through your quadriceps, your inner outer thighs, through your glutes. We're also going to be stretching through those hip flexors with a lot of these exercises as well. All right, that's good. And kick, travel it 1, 2, and then give me that power kick. Let's travel that back for 2 and 1 and 2, and once more. And well done. All right, let's have a look at your final move today. This is a lovely one. Just imagine you just doing a big, I don't know, like a big curtsy to an audience and just saying thank you. So really lovely full body move here. Nice one to finish off, and just really open those arms nice and wide. Really focus on taking that leg as high up as you can behind, so we're working through the glutes. So what we're going to do after this, we'll take a quick little water break, and we're then going to do a really lovely cool down stretch. It is important, always do the stretches with me. That's going to help prevent any injuries. It's going to help realign those muscles, improve your posture, improve your flexibility. All right, that's good. And just keep going, open those arms wide. This one's also lovely for your mobility and for your balance. And then let's just march that out. We'll take that, so we've completed your 10 minutes. We'll just get that heart rate back down, and then we'll take your water break and go for your cool down stretch. So let's focus on doing some stretches. The first stretch, just take 1 foot behind, just where I've highlighted, just feel that stretch through the calf muscle. So we're just stretching out those muscular fibers. That's going to help to prevent any injuries and also prevent any soreness. Let's take that to the opposite leg. Again, step that behind and really lean into that stretch. It's also really good for your flexibility as well. So let's take it to a hamstring stretch. Extend one leg straight, so you're feeling that through the back of the upper thigh. Hands are always on your bent leg. And now let's change, take that to the opposite leg and really just tilt the hips away, just so we're really elongating that muscle. And let's now use a wall if you need to for balance to do that quadricep stretch. Make sure your supporting knees slightly bent. And let's now take that to the other side. And do let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed the video, if there's any other workouts you'd like. And if you're not already, definitely subscribe so you get all my latest videos and community posts. Let's take those arms behind. Just feel that lovely stretch through the top of your upper back. And now take those arms in front. Feel that stretch through your chest. And now we're going to take that arm up. Feel that through the tricep. That's good. And then let's just change. Take that to the other arm. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done right now is simply invest in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.